Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your utility bills with Constellation, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin verifying your utility bills with Constellation, first gather your recent utility bills. Ensure you have your account information handy, such as your account number and service address. Next, visit the Constellation website by typing the URL into your browser. Once on the home page, locate the login section. If you already have an account, enter your credentials and click on the login button. If you do not have an account, look for the option to create a new account. Follow the prompts to fill out the necessary information and complete the registration process. Once logged in, navigate to the billing section of your account dashboard. Here, you will find an option to view your past bills. Select the recent utility bill you wish to verify. Check the details listed on the bill, including account number, billing period, and usage amounts. Next, compare these details with the information on your actual utility bill you gathered earlier. If everything matches, you have successfully verified your utility bill. If you notice any discrepancies, make sure to document them. Contact Constellation's customer service for clarification on any inconsistencies. Provide them with the details of your findings for a more efficient resolution. After your issue is addressed, confirm that any corrections are reflected in your account. Lastly, keep a record of your verified bills for future reference. This process ensures that you are staying informed about your utility expenses with Constellation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.